Welcome to Beginning Chinese. I'm Hating Tian, your Chinese instructor. My Chinese name is Tian Heting. It has three characters, Tian, He, Ting, and the Chinese has two systems. First one is a character system like this. Another one is a pinyin system. Pinyin looks like this. My name is Tian He Ting. So each character has a pinyin, and pinyin has three parts. First part is initials, then finals, and also don't forget each pinyin has a tone, like this one, and Ting, second tone. And you see, this pinyin looks like alphabet, so pinyin will help you to pronounce this language properly. And you see, Tian and Tian here, my English name, are the same. Yes, they are the same, but in Chinese, the tradition, we put the last name first. So last name goes first. I put it here, Tian, and Heting is my first name. It goes here. You can call me Heting, or you can call me Miss Tian or Tian 老师. My surname, Tian, plus 老师. My last name plus 老师. 老师 means teacher. Even in the elementary school, middle school, or the university or college, you always call your teacher 老师. You know, their surname, their last name plus 老师. So I prefer you can call me 老师. In this video, we will talk about the grammar and the vocabularies in lesson 1. Okay, that's all about our class and about myself. So if you have any question, please contact me via the D2L or WeChat or email. The first character in lesson 1 is 你. 你 is the third tone. It has two parts. The first part is 人, this part, and another part is 耳. 人 plus 耳. Before, 人 looks like this, means person or people. So this character must have something about a person. 你 means you. And 耳, actually that's in the old time, that's a weapon, kind of like an arrow. It's pointing to their enemy or enemies. So that's not me or myself. So it's pointing to someone else. That means you, means 你. Next one is 好. 好 means good, fine. It has two characters. 女 means girl or female, plus 子 means good. In the normal life, people will say 你好. You will hear this very often. Means you good. In English, it means hello, you good. You don't see any be verb like am is are, because here 好 is adjective. So when a noun plus an adjective or a subject plus adjective, you don't need to have a be verb. If here is a noun, another noun, you need to have a verb here. But right now 好 means something describing me. You don't need to have a be verb. Next one is 请is the third tone, and some students has hard time to pronounce this. So follow me. The 请 means please or invite somebody or treat somebody. Next one is 问 means ask. In the book we have 请问. 请问 means may I ask, or so ask something politely. 请问 outside is a door. 问 ask, and inside is a 口. What's a 口? That's mouth. So the mouth is asking inside the door. This character means ask. 问 Next one 贵 the fourth tone. 贵 means expensive or honorable. In the old time, Chinese will use the shell. I'm not that good at drawing. The shell the shell as currency or money to change something. So something above the money, so means expensive. Next one is 姓. So this letter or this initial we call 西. 姓 means surname or last name. The first part, that's 女. That means female. And next part is 生 means new life. It's kind of sprout. Give the birth. 生 means give the birth or new life. The woman gave the birth, so this baby needs to have a surname. 姓 in the book we have 贵姓. So 贵 means honorable or expensive. 姓 means surname. 贵姓 it has the meaning that ask somebody's name with somebody's respect. So they want to get your name politely. Next one is 我 means me, I, or I. So you don't need to memorize a lot of vocabularies because Chinese, they use 我 represent two words, and also if you have one word and you see another word, you combine them together, it has another new meaning. So even you don't know the new word, maybe they have several characters, you will guess the meaning because you learned these words before. So it's easier, and the grammar part is also easier than English. 我 means I and me. Before, this character looks like a weapon. A weapon. Well, I'm not good at drawing that. Okay, this kind of weapon is protecting me in the war. So this weapon represents me. 我. Next one is 呢. 呢 is a question particle. You will see question particle in Chinese. Not too many, several question particle. It will soften the sentence, and also it will make some other meaning. Okay, for example, 你呢? 你 plus 呢 means How about you? If I say 我呢? How about myself? Or my name? 田鹤亭呢? How about 田鹤亭? My name. Okay, next one. 小姐. Oh, one thing that n is toneless. So when you pronounce this, you just make it short. N. For example, 你呢? 你 is longer. N is very, very short. Next one, 小姐. 小姐 means young lady, and 小 means little. And look my poster. This looks like 小. Yeah, means little. And how about what's a poster like big? This means big, 大. This means 大, big. And this one is 小. 小姐 means young lady. You see 女 here. This radical or this character is always represents a female, a woman. If I say Miss Tian, I put Tian first, and then 小姐 means Miss Tian. Or another name, 王小姐. Miss Wang. Next one is 叫. This initial pronounced like 鸡. 叫 fourth tone. 叫 means to be called or call somebody. Okay, you will see 我叫田鹤亭 or make it short. 我叫田鹤. So make it short. 我叫田鹤. I am to be called 田鹤. The 叫 here is to be called, and also it you can also say 叫 call somebody. 叫田老师 or I'm calling somebody. 我叫 somebody. Okay, next one is 什么. 什么 means what. 神 is second tone. 么 is toneless or neutral tone. Don't pronounce this like me. It's not me. It's m, because this final we pronounce 什么 means what. Next one, 名字. This is a toneless or neutral tone. 名字 means name. 名字. 你叫什么名字?什么名字? What is your name? 你叫什么名字? What is your name? Next one. 先生 means Mr. This one is Miss. This one is Mr. And also you can say 先生 as husband. And we still need to put the surname first. If I say 田先生, I mean Mr. Tian, that's my dad. Next one is 李友. Li You is a personal name. So Li is a surname or last name goes first. Next one, Wang Peng. Wang Peng is another personal name, and Wang is this person's last name. It goes first. Wang Peng. Let's learn the grammar in lesson 1. Chinese grammar is easy. Most of the time we only use this. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, 你姓什么? Even you see it's a question, still we follow this. Subject plus verb plus object. 你 is a subject, you. Surname. What? Your surname is what? 姓 here, we just make it like a verb. 你姓什么? And the answer can be 我姓田. My surname is 田. Use something replace what? 什么? 我姓田. How to negate the sentence? We need to have a negative verb. A negative word. 我不姓田. 我不姓田. The 不 goes before 姓, before the verb. Next example, 你叫什么名字? You are called what name? So that means what's your name? The answer can be 我叫李友. My name is Li You. I'm to be called Li You. How about I'm not Li You? My name is not Li You. I can say 我不叫李友. Just put a negative word before the verb. 我不叫李友. Put 不 before 叫. And here is 不 and here is 不. If you want to find out what time we pronounce 不, what time we pronounce 不, you need to follow the instruction in my presentation. Okay. Let's learn the vocabulary in lesson 1, part 2. The first one is 是. 是 means am, is, are, was, were. So you don't need to memorize a lot of be verb, just have one 是. Is, am, are, was, were. Okay, next one, 老师. 老师, I hope you still remember 田老师. 老师 means teacher. 老师 means teacher, and the surname goes first plus 老师 means 田老师 or some other 老师. Next one is 么. 么 is a question particle. I want to say 么 is a question maker. If I have a statement, I plus 么. Let's make the sentence into a question. For example, 你叫李友吗? 你叫李友. Your name is Leo, or you are Leo, or you are called Leo. And I put a ma at the end. Actually, I don't need to have this plus sign. 你叫李友吗? This means, are you Leo? Are you Leo? Is your name Leo? Next one is 不 or 不. This is a negative word. 不, and it goes before a verb. When the 不 pronounce 不, 不. The verb, the tones of the verb is, let me think, is first tone, second tone, and third tone. And the bu, it pronounced bu, it will follows the fourth tone. Yeah. Bu, the verb following is first tone, second tone, and third tone. And bu follows a fourth tone verb. For example, 不好, 不好. So we have this 不 and 好 is the third tone. And 不吃, I don't want to eat, 不吃. 吃 is the first tone, 吃. And 不能, you cannot, 不能. So 3 tones here. And how about 不 plus a fourth tone? 不是, 是 here is a fourth tone, means is not, 不是 or are not or were not. Next one is 学生. 学生. This one 生 is a neutral tone, so make it short. 学生. 学生 means student or students. There's no plural form. Next one is 也. 也 means also to as well. How to use it? 也 plus a verb. Don't forget your subject. 我也是学生. 也是学生. I'm a student too. 我也是学生. So it goes before the verb 是. 我也是学生. Next one is 人. 人 means person or people. In the old time, 人 is written like this. And then simplify that. It looks like this. And here is the last version. 人, person or people. Next one is the country's name. 中国. 中国 means China. 中 means middle or center. Here is a line in the middle or center. That means 中. That's 中. How about 国? 国 is a square and inside is a 玉. 国 in the old time Chinese think they didn't know the world or the earth is a global, so they think it's a square. They are in the center or in the middle of the square. So the outside of the country is a square, and inside is the person and the people and the emperor. Next one, 北京. 北京 is the capital city of China. 北 means north. 京 means capital, north capital. Because in the old time there are several capitals in China, and then the chairman just make sure we only have one main capital. So we are using Beijing as our capital city. 北京, north capital. Next one, 美国. 美国. So you know what's the meaning of 国? How about 美? 美 is coming from United States of America. So we just pick the pronunciation of America. America. 美 is come from that one. 美. 美国 means America. United States of America. Sorry. Next one is 纽约. 纽约. That sounds like New York. Yes. 纽约 is for New York. Next one. 休斯顿 because I'm living here, so we need to learn this. 休斯顿 is coming from Houston. 休斯顿 and if I put 人 after these places, that means the person or people from this country or this place. 中国人 that means Chinese. 美国人 means American. And you will find some other countries' name like 墨西哥 Mexico. 墨西哥 There's no 国 there's no 国 country because 墨西哥 has 3 characters. It's long enough to represent a country. If only have 1 character like this, 中国美国 we need to put a 国 here because it sounds like not that soften. So we need to add something. But 墨西哥 has 3 characters, so you don't need to add a 国 here. How about Mexican? Add 人 here. 墨西哥人 How about Cuban? 古巴人 古巴人 You also just leave 古巴 here without a 国 because 古巴 has 2 characters. You don't need to add 国 there. If you say England, 英国 You don't need to have英国 you need to have a 国 here because 英 is coming from the pronunciation of England, 英 and they don't add too much other characters here, so you need to put a 国 here, 英国 and 英国人 Englishman. Okay, that's all about the vocabulary in this part. Let's learn the grammar in lesson 1 part 2. The first one is 是 是 means M is R, was word. For example, 你是老师吗? Without the ma, the question maker, you will see you are a teacher. 你是老师 You are a teacher. With the ma, are you a teacher? The answer is 我是老师 I'm teacher. I'm a teacher. 我是老师 or 我不是老师 The negative word 不 goes before 是 before verb 不 plus a verb 我不是老师 Next one 么 It's a question maker. Yeah, we mentioned about that here. 么 If the question is a statement, you plus ma make a question. For example, 你是学生吗? Are you a student? 你是学生吗? Don't forget the question mark. Next one. 不 or 不 it all depends on the verb after this negative word. 不我不是学生 is 不 negate the sentence. 我不是学生 I'm not a student. Next one is 也 means to also as well. How to use 也? We put it here before right before the verb. For example, 李友也是老师李友 也是老师 Leo is a teacher too. Well, they put too as well, also here. 也是老师. How about the sentence is a negative sentence? I can say 李友也不是老师，也 should go before 不，也不。In the sentence, I can say 李友也不是老师。How about I want to express I'm not a Mexican too. Maybe at the beginning I mentioned about somebody is not Mexican. 他 or let me think. 李友不是墨西哥人，我也不是墨西哥人。Let me write this sentence here. 李友不是墨西哥人 Mexican。我也不是墨西哥人，我也不是墨西哥人。So you see, 也 goes right before 不。Memorize this. 我也不是墨西哥人。And also after lesson 1, we will learn more verb or other adjective or adverb, and you too can use this kind of sentence. Okay, that's all about lesson 1.